Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Today we're talking about something exciting ChatGPT 4.0 Canvas. It's designed to make writing and coding so much smoother. Here are some key features. Imagine getting real time edits while you write. It can tweak your document's length and adjust the reading level. It supports tons of coding languages JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C, PHP, HTML, you name it. It will review your code, help debug, add comments, and fix bugs on the spot. It's collaboration magic in action. You can train it to collaborate with you. It's like having a creative partner for making edits, rewriting, and giving feedback. How it stacks up against the competition. Compared to Anthropic Clods 3.5, which has real time code editing and interaction, ChatGPT 4.0 Canvas might need a bit more manual work now, but future updates are going to make it even better. It's hard to believe, but it's still in beta, so more improvements are on the way. Just wait, it's only going to get better from here. If you enjoy these type of updates, please like and subscribe for more. Also, keep an eye out for our deep dive review to get all the details. Don't miss out. Join our newsletter at www.aitipsforall.com/newsletter and follow aitipsforall.com for all the latest AI news and tech updates. Until next time, stay curious.